Hi everyone. In today's video, I want to analyze what the Bitcoin price has been doing because we see all the Bitcoin price went all the way to the 122, and now it's just falling and falling and falling at the 4 hour chart. And the big question is Bitcoin at a critical point right now, or we just prefer for having a next big move? If you want to know what the Bitcoin price actually gonna do, I stick around this video. I'm gonna break down the chart and see the key levels I actually watching and exactly want to do it with my trade so you can also take advantage of the market and be up front of everybody else. So now let's go really quick and let's share what actually we did. I was talking before in this video how we're gonna go all the way to the 122 and then smash that key level we have of the 120. We went all the way there and now we're going down. And the question is what this actually means. Are we going to continue falling or not? Let me show you here. I have been telling all the time to you to don't go and try to to go in a trade when we're actually going to reach the previous high, like in this case here. We're trying to reach it, everybody gonna get liquidated because everybody's trying to go to FOMO in this area, and now they start to get liquidated. The same was in this area here. We were over there reaching the previous high, and then we were down to liquidate everybody. I was calling here and here that the price is gonna go up, and you can see it over here. Many people was calling that's going down, but actually this is just a simple playbook pattern. I mean, we have a higher low, and this immediately it says that we break the structure we had, which was the dumping, dumping, dumping. If we will have a higher, lower low, then this would be dangerous. But since we have a higher low, was super simple to follow, and the direction I always left was completely to the opposite, all the way here. From down here, I have it to the opposite, and now is what was going to happen next. And that's why you should subscribe to the channel because like this, you're gonna be up front of everybody else and you should know already what actually the Bitcoin prank is doing. And what we are doing is just a simple ABC continuation pattern from Elliott. So do we gonna go up? Yes, I do think we're gonna go up. I don't waiting too much into this trade to be honest, because we can see already in the daily how bullish we are. And I have been saying already for weeks how bullish we are. And now we see how we went out of nothing. We went completely to 122. Nobody was expecting that. And now we have this retracement. This retracement is the one I was saying to you here like 2 days ago, as you can see. I was saying to you that we're gonna go all the way there, then coming down to liquidate everybody. This is exactly what we're having here, the liquidation point, and then we're gonna go up. So just keep that in mind. What I'm actually looking for and the best price to enter, I don't really matter that much. Is 118 or 117, but I'm trying to observe what actually Green Valley, the time is doing. I expect that we're going to form a small red valley, and after that, I would see what the price is and enter immediately to a trade because we're going to go to the upper direction. That is the higher probability. Remember that the market can also go against you, but the highest probability for me and what I'm doing is that I'm gonna go and enter to a trade in this area. If you want to enter into spot as well, um, the best price to enter is around the 117 300, let's say more or less. But like I say to you, if then you can sell above the 122, it doesn't really matter if you enter to 117 118. That is what I'm doing myself. You do you and I do me, but I just want to share this information for you because I think that is really important, and I would love as well that other people benefit as well from my trades. So now let's go and check what actually the price is doing in the daily chart. And in the daily chart, as you can see, we have this absorption candle all the way from the 22 to the 118K. And what I'm expecting now is that we're gonna go all the way here. We're gonna fill up that candle. that absorption candle because we see how the Fortuna line already start to get a little bit of strain. It's in a positive direction, so that means it's getting strain, and the timing is quite nice to be honest. We still have a lot of time to form a green valley. This is for the daily and the weekly. We already know that we're bullish, so I don't better even go and check that. So that's why you should not think too much. In the bull market, you don't think too much. You need just to act. You need to think um, you don't need to think much on the bull market or in the bear market. Yes, you need to be a little more careful, but now we're in a bull market and the price action is just going up, and there is the direction that we want to have it in order to take advantage of the market. So if you want to take advantage of this market and you want to do trades as well, I do have a nice fat bonus in the commentary below, and you can go and register yourself in Bitunix. In Bitunix, you can trade long and short Bitcoin and many other icons. So you don't need to undress yourself. You just set your email and your mobile, and you're going to be ready to go. So let me know if you like this kind of videos. And the commentary below, I will really appreciate you subscribe and smash that like and share the video with someone you think that's gonna be beneficial like this. We also gonna redirect the algorithm to share to more people, and that's what we like because like this our price Bitcoin price is gonna go up and up and up and up and up, and we also gonna be educating more people to unfuck their life and their futures and have more benefit for their life. So hopefully this was a big help for you, and see you tomorrow, guys.